Hi, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to meditate, then this video is just for you. And if you're looking for a way to meditate without actually struggling to find the time, a way to meditate that is easy to accommodate in your very busy routine and schedule, then again, this video is just for you. I'm Keshika Lakhani, a spiritual guide, and welcome to my channel Amethyst Awakening. This video is a part of the Be Your series where I talk about my experiences, learnings, tools, and methods that I have used in my spiritual journey during my Kundalini awakening process, and just something that has helped me grow as an individual, find my inner peace and happiness. And I hope that my learnings and experiences and these tools and methods help you guys as well. Today, I'm going to talk about one method that I very actively recommend to all my clients, friends, acquaintances, colleagues, anyone and everyone who is struggling with anything and everything in their life. Like, it's a very generic method that has the capacity to help all of you. Okay, so technically, this video is for everyone, and if you're watching it, then that's amazing because it can really help you. Okay, so we are going to talk about sleep meditation today. All of us sleep, so we all know how to do it. We literally just have to sleep. Okay, and we all already sleep, so we all already have the time to sleep, so we don't have to remove any extra time. Hence, very easy and very time effective. Now, there are two ways we can sleep meditate. The first way is via sleep meditation music, and the second way is just by intention setting. Now, people who can't sleep with music or sound in the background, I recommend that you go with the second way, that is through intention setting. And people who are not lucid dreamers, who do not really get too many dreams, don't remember their dreams, and who are very new on this journey and can sleep with music, I would recommend trying the first type, which is the sleep meditation music type. Okay, now for both these methods, you first need to, you can either do like a generic meditation that you can find online. So for the sleep meditation type, you can just look up 7 chakra sleep meditation music and you can use that. But otherwise, if you don't want to do like a generic meditation, I would highly recommend more focused meditations using this method. So you can either focus on each chakra at a time, beginning with the 7 basic chakras in a human body, starting from the root chakra and moving up to the crown chakra. I will say the 7 chakras. You don't need to remember it if you don't already know it. You will find this information readily available online on Google. Okay. So we start with the base chakra, which is the root chakra, that is near the base of a spine, followed by the sacral chakra, then our solar plexus chakra, the heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and crown chakra. We begin from bottom and move to the top. If you're not doing a chakra focus thing, you can either just look up 7 chakra sleep meditation, or you can do aura cleanse sleep meditation, general cleansing sleep meditation, and something like that, So you can just like look up for a general cleanse and reset meditation. You can also focus using different, different topics. So you can, suppose you're someone who wants to let go of the past, you can look up letting go of the past sleep meditation music, and you will very well find that, like, there is a high possibility that whatever you look up, you will find it. Okay, if you're someone who has a lot of baggage from their childhood or something like that, then an inner child meditation would really help you. And there are many topics, so you can focus, like, you just basically have to figure what topic you want to meditate on today and look that up on YouTube, and you will find a video. You will actually find more than one video on it. So what do? Whichever video you are drawn to is the video you will use. These videos are typically very long videos, like they can last for like 8 or 10 hours as well, because it's during your sleep time and ideally you're supposed to sleep for 8 hours. But as beginners, I would not recommend anything above the 3-hour mark. So ideally look for something between like 1 to 3 hours when you start off. 20 minutes is also fine. And I would not recommend a frequency, like I would recommend you begin with like once a week, and at max, even if you're doing like very rigorously, go up to 2 to 3 times a week and not more than that. And I will tell you why. The reason being, when we meditate, we are actually spiritually working through our problems, or like we're energetically solving our problems. So at an energetic level, we are making the shifts. But these sleep meditations actually bring up issues and incidents and thoughts and memories that we will have to also actively deal with in our waking world. So when we wake up, certain issues will come up so that we can release them. So if you actually do really long meditations or lots and lots of meditations through the week, you're not really going to get the time to consciously release it. And meditation is actually a holistic process. So if you want to actually effectively use it, then you just don't have to meditate. You also have to make those changes in your life. And that's very, very important. A lot of people spend hours and hours and hours meditating, and that's amazing that you can meditate for so many hours. But if you are not bringing the required change in your behavioral patterns or in your waking life, then you are not going to see the results as you expect them. And you're going to wonder that I have spent so many hours doing so much sadhana, or I have spent so many hours doing so much meditation, but why aren't things changing for me? Or why are things moving or changing at such a slow pace? That is because you are not making the changes in the 3D world, in your physical world. And you must find the time to do that. And hence, don't overburden yourself with meditation. Do it actively, do it consciously, even if you're doing it subconsciously in your sleep, but like make conscious decisions. And what I'm trying to say is, be aware of your capacity to meditate and choose accordingly, choose the videos accordingly, choose the frequency accordingly. Okay, and make the changes in your 3D world if and when those thoughts and memories arise once you're awake. If you are going to subdue them and fall back into your previous patterns and fall back into your ego decision making process, then this is as good as, I don't want to say it's a futile process, but it's almost a futile process. You would rather just plainly sleep then and not meditate in your sleep. Okay, so if you are subconsciously active and working in your sleep and you're actually ready to do that, then also be ready to bring the changes while you're awake in your waking world. Okay, that was for both the type of people. So I hope even type 2 is listening to this. Okay, and yeah, so do the meditations, make the changes, and gradually progress to the next chakra when you think you're ready for it. You don't need to go like all out on one chakra. You can gradually just do like root chakra 1 week, then go to sacral the next week, and repeat the process, because our healing happens through layers. So each time you will like reveal one layer that needs to be released, or you will open up a little more or reset that chakra a little more. Okay, I'm going to be doing videos on like different chakras and what they can help you with coming forward in the upcoming weeks. But even otherwise, if you just want to work through specific issues, say for example anger, jealousy or something like that, you could just look up chakra for jealousy and you'll get the answer sacral chakra, and then you can just do sacral chakra. You can look up chakra for confidence and you'll get solar plexus, and you can work on solar plexus. So that's how you can select what video you must listen to. Now, how do you listen to the video? Before you sleep, you just say to yourself that, okay, today I'm going to play this video and I'm going to work through this chakra as I sleep, and play it and go to sleep. That's literally all you need to do. Nothing else. Just play the video and sleep. And you will meditate for the hours the video is. And in some cases, you might even meditate a little beyond that. And for those of you who lucid dream or remember your dreams, you will actually notice that your dreams are on similar lines as what you were working through. So you will actually realize that you have released something, you have cleansed something, or you've got some answers in the process. You can also use sleep meditation for finding out your purpose and finding other answers to life. And this you can do using the second method. So now we're going to move on to the second method. The second method is the intention setting method. In this method, all you need to do is speak to any power or any force, any energy that is larger than life or that you believe in. So it could be the universe, it could be God, it could even be your higher self or yourself or your imaginary friend or whoever you talk to. It doesn't matter. It's just someone you have trust and faith in, and that you trust that if you talk to them, they are listening to you. So before you sleep, you just say that, okay, universe, spirit guides, angels, God, ancestors, my higher self, whoever you want to talk to, just address that being or the universe in general and say that today as I sleep, help me work through blah blah blah, whatever that is. Okay, so help me work through my past relationships, or help me open up in love, help me attract the job I want to, or help me remove blockages with respect to money and abundance, or help me work through my jealousy issues, help me work through my anger issues, help me work through my insecurities, whatever your problem is or whatever you feel like working on. Just set that intention. You can also use this method to find out your purpose, right? So you can also be like, today as I sleep, give me an answer to this, and you can sleep on it. And as you sleep on it, during your sleep, subconsciously your mind is actually meditating to find that answer, or is meditating through that problem to help you effectively work through it. So through your subconscious mind, you are meditating. You just need to have the trust and belief that you are doing this. Now, those of you again who are lucid dreamers or who remember your dreams, this is going to be much easier because you're going to realize that your dreams are in alignment with the intention you're setting. Those of you who don't dream or don't remember their dreams, you might feel like it is not working, but trust me, if you trust in it, it is working. And over a period of time, you will start remembering things and you will start remembering your dreams. It might take some more time for you guys, but if you trust in it and you keep at it, this is a very, 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 very effective form of meditation, and I have very actively used it. I've also recommended it to a lot of clients, friends, acquaintances, colleagues, everyone, and everyone has come up with amazing feedback on how this has made a difference in their lives. So I really hope that this helps you guys in your journey. Please let me know anything that you would like to share in the comment section below. If you have any other topics that you would like me to touch upon, or just any experiences during sleep meditation or something that you're looking forward to, any doubts, please like, share, subscribe if this helped you. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you around in the next video. Bye bye.